just the closest. So, yeah, it beats driving up to Cleveland.
Conveniently in the Valley's backyard, just a short drive from home, you can get connected to Chicago and beyond. This daily flight to a major hub is important to allow our community to connect to so many different places.
Daily air service to a hub is as vital to a community as paved roads, internet, electricity and running water.
Besides personal use, these flights also allow small businesses to not only expand, but even help boost the economy and business here.
We can try and pull some of that business back to Youngstown. We want those new dollars here, we want new businesses here, we want new people here.
The 50-seater plane takes about an hour to make it to Chicago and then can seamlessly get you to a further destination.
Oh, I think it's great. I think it's real nice, very convenient.
Thank you. Have a great flight. There are many variables that change prices on flights, but overall, ADI says the airfare from Youngstown to Chicago will be below or if not even when compared to the cost of flying out of Cleveland or Pittsburgh.
It gets me to a hub where I can get right direct to Vegas, so it's fine.
Within minutes after all the passengers finished boarding the plane, the first inaugural flight from Youngstown was on its way to Chicago. With more local news, I'm Candace Monticelli.